It's a free event, Australian workplace culture and etiquette for international students. That's taking place on Monday the 9th of May 2022 starting at 12 p.m, and this is an event open to international students studying at RMIT only. It's going to be held at the RMIT Job Shop, 124 Swanston Street, Melbourne. G'day and welcome to This International Student Life. We're presenting a series of episodes on Melbourne's International Student Week, and this free event is helping you settle into the Australian workplace. Now, what are they covering at this free event? The Australian workplace culture can feel scary. When you're coming from overseas, that's understandable. You want to fit in, but you also want to understand how to fit in. Well, this workshop is going to help you decipher behavioural norms, Australian slang, and isn't that something a lot of visitors and tourists and international students have a lot of challenges getting used to, the way we talk, but also dress codes, phone etiquette, and there's going to be plenty more information to help you and help prepare you for working in Australia as an international student. Now, you need to register for this event. There's a link in the description below, and it's a free event presented by RMIT. And again, this event is open to international students studying at RMIT only. But if you're studying at one of the other 9 universities based in Melbourne, Australia, why not contact your international student support team for more information about how they can also help you learn more about Australian workplace culture and also etiquette for international students. This is all presented as part of Study. This is all presented by Study Melbourne and Jobs Victoria. Wise Words Media is always looking for great stories about international students in Melbourne, and we're always keen to share any story of any student here that we think might be helpful to those. You might be currently overseas just trying to decide whether to come to Australia. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon. This International Student Life is produced by Wise Words Media. This episode contains nil paid promotions. All information in this episode is taken from sources available to the public in the public domain. Wise Words Media accepts no responsibility for any errors or omissions of information in this episode. Melbourne International Student Week is presented by the Committee for Melbourne and proudly sponsored by Study Melbourne as an initiative of the Economic Development Department of the Victorian State Government.